Hey YouTube, please bear with me. This is my first kind of foray into the YouTube video genre. I'll do my first unboxing today. I've never really thought about doing these unboxings before, but I felt that the quality with these boots that I received and the price point, is just unbeatable in my opinion. So what we're gonna have today is the Yrx Apollo boots. I just received them. Of course, I've opened them already, but I'm gonna do an unboxing in front of you guys, and I'm gonna read directly from their website, so I can let you know exactly what these boots are about. What they're made of and things like that. All right. So here we go. Of course, like I said, they're Yrx boots. I got them in a brown color. They have brown, they have gray and brown, and they have black. So here we go. This is the boots here. The Apollo boots. You can go to their website and read it for yourself, but I'm gonna read it. It says, introducing the Apollo boot in brown. This boot has quickly become our most popular product. The calf skin inner lining helps support and add structure to the 100% cashmere upper. The cap-toed beautiful leather and wax laces make it incredibly versatile footwear, ranging from formal attire to casual wear. These handmade boots are a labor of love. You will feel the quality of the boots the moment you put them on, and they will last you a lifetime. Like the Greek god of sun, you will light up any room you walk in with these boots. They're Yrx premium cow leather, Blake stitched construction, hand cut and stitched, 100% cashmere upper, soft calf skin interior lining, premium wax laces. It has a Dura EVA comfort strip midsole, leather outsole with rubber inserts. They're painted, stained, and burnished by hand. Antimicrobial shock absorbing insole, and Italian handmade construction welt. All right, well, as they always say, without further ado, here we go. It says, ready for the compliments. Get ready for the compliments on the boot. You got Yrx branding on the top. What we got on the back here? We got size 12, color brown, again, the Apollo boot. And some more company branding on the back. Their YouTube channel, IG, and Facebook. All right, so here we go. It's packaged up pretty nice. You get a little bag here. Some more Yrx company branding here. And in here you get you got a shoehorn. That's pretty nice there. Yeah, that's nice. More Yrx company branding on it. Okay, what else is in the bag here? Got a brush. More Yrx company branding. I don't know if I mentioned the price on these are 199 bucks. Okay. Get a little card. Some more company branding. It says, welcome to the family. We think you're pretty amazing. As a token of appreciation, we'd like to give you a special opportunity to get $100 off coupon your next entire order. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to read all that, but if you want to read it, you can pause it and read it. All right? So here we go with the boots. Wow. Each one is individually wrapped in its own dust cover, I guess that's what you want to call it. And here we go. Wow. I don't know if the camera really does it justice as far as the color on the boots. It's a nice tan color. It's really soft here. Sorry, trying to get it in frame. Like I said, this is my first foray into this unboxing thing, so please bear with me. I like that cap toe there. Stitched sole. Wax laces here. Leather sole. These are pretty nice. I mean, for $199, I mean, I've had boots that were way more expensive than this that didn't touch this quality and didn't touch this quality. And wow, the presentation, the box, what you get in the box, it's pretty nice here. You guys drop a comment, let me know what you think. I really can't fault these boots at all. Like I said, especially for this price point, 199 bucks. And I had a $10 off coupon, I believe it was. All right, I'm gonna sit that one here, and I'm gonna bring the other out. Yeah, talking about some quality here. I like these. I think that's a little piece of glue or something there, I guess. Well, as we know, nothing's perfect, but these are really nice. All right, YouTube, this video is gonna be pretty short, but I figured I'd dabble my toes in the unboxing game and, you know, see how it goes and kind of get out there and expose myself, and hopefully you guys don't think I did too bad for my first video. But again, like I said, drop a comment, like, and we'll be coming back for more videos. I'm going to be doing some more unboxings, you know, nothing in particular as a, you know, like, it's going to be different things. I have a multitude of interests and things I like, so whether it be shoes, clothes, knives. I'm a kind of a gun guy as well. I ride motorcycles, so there's no telling what you're gonna get on this channel. But again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Until next time, stay happy, be blessed, and please be careful in this day and age with this coronavirus and all this stuff going on. All right? Thanks, YouTube. Appreciate you. Love you guys.